I just have to secure this board down. But before I do that, I just want to skim this and try to keep it as flat as possible. Not skim it, resurface it. And fairly level. So the next process involves lots of masking tape and super glue. So that's two boards taped up. Now it's inevitable that you're going to get some super glue in between these little gaps, and it will stick to your primary board for something this big. So for me it doesn't matter, because that's just going to be the inside of the speaker cabinet. You're not going to see it, but it's just something to remember, because you're always going to get a little bit of damage, especially with MDF, because as you peel off the tape you're going to peel off a little bit of the MDF with it. Now this is critical to get it in the right place. And then use some gravity clamps. Or a gravity clamp. and just leave it for a few minutes. Now, feels good to me. Now I'll just home the thing and get ready to start the cut. So that little nick there, that's what I'm talking about when I mentioned when your cut comes down, goes all the way around and comes here and goes back up, because it dwells here for a little while. Unless you back it off from the cut surface, it will leave a little groove sometimes. So this is a rough cut. There's still going to be a millimetre or a half a millimetre that's going to be taken off in one big go, so you don't get these slight bandings. Well, it doesn't look too bad. And you can see how it's cut into a sacrificial board here a little bit, so that bottom will be pretty clean. Well, this is how it looks so far. So these are with the speakers just placed in their rough position. It looks really good to me. This whole thing is going to be primed, and then these sort of, well, the whole lot will be sanded, but more importantly these edges will be sanded, the ones that have been cut. They still look pretty good, but they're not. Let's see if I can get the angle right. They're pretty sharp and fairly clean, except for the chamfer here. There's a little bit of fluff, but that'll clear up. Put this away. So these are the binding posts I'll be using. These are a lot thinner than the ones I was thinking of before. So I haven't drilled out the holes on the back of this using the CNC machine. I'll just do it by hand later on. It doesn't matter. The box. Left half of it behind. Yeah, this turned out pretty good. All the dimensions seem to fit within sub-millimetre accuracy, which is all I require. I've just got to file out these round corners so they slot in perfectly. So this is it together. They fit in really nice, all these parts. There's minimal gaps, and you can sort of get an idea of what it's going to look like. You know, not much to see in there, but it's just the box. And I'll just glue these together and veneer the outsides, and this will be painted a nice sort of semi-gloss black. We'll see how this all turns out.